As part of the Awas Divas and Awas Week celebration, a program was held at Jatalong VEC Bhairambong CNRD block on the 24th November 2020. The Minister in charge Community and Rural Development Department, Shri Hamletson Dolling, participated in the event as the chief guest, wherein PMAYG beneficiaries from around 14 VECs and other residents of nearby villages participated in the event. The other dignitaries present during the gathering are Shri Daskyat Lamare, who is the MLA of Mauhati constituency, and also the Minister in charge Fisheries Department PWD building and others. The Director CNRD Department and Mission Director State Rural Employment Society SRES, the Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy, the BDO Bhairambong and officials from SRES, DRDA Nongpo and Bhairambong block. While addressing the gathering, the chief guest briefed about the aims of the central and state government to ensure that all eligible beneficiaries are provided with a PMAYG house, which is assisted at the cost of Rs 1.3 lakh per house. He also informed that the beneficiaries can also avail an additional 95% days through MGNREGA to construct their own houses and receive additional assistance of 19,190 rupees in the current years as wages. In addition, other benefits such as toilets, electricity can also avail loan at a low interest rate through banks. The minister urged all the village heads and beneficiaries who were present to also coordinate and build a good rapport with the officials for the smooth implementation of the programs with regards to registration, sanctioning and all other processes till the houses are implemented successfully. He urged all beneficiaries to come forward if there are any matter with regards to the implementation which are still not clear, so that officials can assist and clarify any doubts that they have. At the conclusion, the guests were able to inaugurate one MGNREGA footpath constructed at the cost of Rs 7.86 lakhs, and an inspection was also made to one of the houses which was constructed under the PMAYG scheme in the village.